Suddenly had a brilliant idea using a rivet. Yes, the same rivet normally used to fasten metal sheets together. But of course, why stop at normal use when creativity can go rogue? Instead of simply fixing metal, he went above and beyond by stuffing hot glue into the rivet. Genius, right? Because nothing screams professional engineering like mixing construction hardware with craft supplies. And the result? Apparently, a perfect tool is born out of this unholy alliance. Want to see exactly how hot glue in a rivet turns into brilliance? Just follow this step by step and prepare to laugh.